Hello, welcome to the demonstration about asynchronous service communication. Here I have opened mainly three things. In left side top I have opened Postman, and in below left side below I have opened webhook. Webhook, we can use this website to receive any callback. If we just go to the webhook site, let's just go to webhook site and let's close about this. Yeah, as I've already previously gone to webhooks, it is fetching my URL from my IP address and taking me in this URL. So what about we open a new URL here? Yeah, so we now have got a new URL here, and right side we have three terminals: one first terminal, second terminal, and third terminal here. So here we have to download and run our project. I have already downloaded our project from GitHub, and it's actually better if we run the virtual environment here. Okay, sure. So virtual environment, running virtual environment. So I'm running virtual environment in all the three places here. Previously I have already created a virtual environment here. Yeah, and in first terminal let's run our Django project here. Django project is running, and in second terminal let's run celery here. Celery is also successfully running, and in the third terminal let's run our cron job here. So in cron job, yeah, this is the command for cron job running. So we can give a timeout in seconds a time, that how much time after when we send a decision taking instance from Postman to our Django server, after how much time it gets a timeout, and it will set an unknown thing by our cron job. And other is that after how many seconds our cron job should run. So this cron job sleep time in second we have given 30, so after every 30 seconds our cron job will run. Yeah, so yeah, we have to run everything here. Let's stop cron job for now. Yeah, cron job is stopped now. Okay, so first let's run our Postman and let's send a request to our Django server here. So our Django server is hit, so it has a primary key of 44 here, and we can see that celery, after our Django server is hit, celery is also picking up this 44 here. Asynchronously celery is picking here, and if we check the response, that request, when we hit the Django server, request is being processed asynchronously. The result will be sent to the provided callback URL, and this Django server is sending the request to the sending the instance to our celery, and celery asynchronously handling it. And what it is doing, let's try to pick it. Yeah, celery research, and it is picking this 44, this request, that primary key 44, it is also picking this one, and it is first decision type is unknown. Then it is trying to make a callback to our this callback URL, and it is saying that it is actually allowed. This decision type is now allowed, and this strat is actually allowed now. And that time the callback responded. Okay, so this callback, oh, I think we have given a wrong callback here. Callback, I should give it another callback here. Yeah, this callback we should give here. This is better visible than. Yeah, if we send this request here, yeah, you can see that Now it's 45 is coming, primary key 45, and this primary key 45 is also picked by our salary from this place. Yeah, 45, it is also picked this 45 here. And after picking this 45, of course decision type is first unknown, then it is trying to make a callback, and this callback is made, and decision type is usually allowed, and this is the URL. So from this URL we can see all the callbacks made to this URL. That's that this URL, this URL, and it has already made a decision type allowed, and we have received a post request in our callback. So we can see that this is the decision type allowed. This is the decision type allowed. This type allowed. Okay. Oh, sorry. I mean, I have just copied it. Yeah. Yeah. I've just copied and pasted it wrongfully. Okay. And this is allowed. Yeah. And this is the select tax. It's finished. It's callback finished. It has got a response of 200, and the final decision instead is kind of decision of allowed and decision taken by internal authorization service here. Okay, and then let's do another thing. Let's open our cron job here. Let's stop salary for now, and let's hit our Django service again. So let's click on the send request on Postman. So it is actually now creating another decision instance with primary key 46, and our salary is not running any further. Okay, and as we have seen, previously our cron job was running. No, we have just restarted our cron job here. Okay, this is 30 cron job shipped in second 30, and this actually and timeout in second is 10 seconds. Yeah, so after every 30 seconds our cron job will run, and after the cron job has run, you can see this 46 is picked by, in this place it has picked our decision instance. It is 46, and then decision type is unknown here, and it's what it's doing, it's actually given log here. So it is before changing the decision instance is what we have got, that decision instance is unknown here, and then it is changing the decision because it has already passed the 10 seconds here. That's the thing, that decision is unknown here, and callback URL, that URL we have got here, and the decision taken by is cron by cron job. It is a decision taken by, and then the beginning of the make callback. So it's making a callback to this URL. So that means this URL here, and this status is unknown. So previous callback decision was actually allowed, and this is unknown, and callback response is 200. So this is the callback response. We can see this callback decision is, it is sending the decision as unknown. Decision type is unknown here. Yeah, so it is coming to this callback, that decision type is unknown here, and as a cron job is running after every 30 seconds, so it has run for several more times after the after our decision was handled by the cron job. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, so let's run the salary again. Yeah, this salary is again run here. So once the salary runs on, it is picking the previously did decision instance. So what 46 it picked up, So what is the previous decision instance? We have already handled it. 46 is picked up, and previous decision already taken for primary key is 46 by decision type cron job. Cron job has already taken 46 decision. So it's just not doing anything for this decision instance because it's already handled here. Okay, then let's just hit it again. In this point, our all three services are running here. So as we have already hit up again, so this is 47 and a new decision instance 47 is come here, and salary has immediately picked up. We can see that this is the 47. Salary has already picked up this one, and this is decision type allowed here. Oh no, this 47 is picking up from here a bit up. Yeah, 47 is picked up from here. Yeah, this is the place that 47 is picked up here. Initial distance 47, and then it is trying to make a callback. That 47 is trying to make a callback, and it is decision time allowed. And this callback response we have got 200, and this is the callback. So decision time is allowed is come here. And this callback finished, and final decision instance is 47, and salary task is also finished, and this is the final decision instance. And as we can see that our cron job is running after every 30 seconds, but as this primary key 47 is already handled by our salary, so it will not be handled any further. So yeah, let's check that whether 47 is handled here. What about we search by 47 here? 47, yeah, 47 is not here. You can see that primary key 47 is not here. But if we search with 46, 46 is of course handled by our cron job. So where is the primary key 47? Primary key 46, yeah. Let's search with this sub string here. Primary key 46. Yeah, primary key is 46. We can find here. But if we search with primary key 47, yeah, we can't find any instance. Yeah, this is our project. This is successfully can call asynchronously all the decisions taken, and it can inform our webhook. Yeah, thank you so much for watching it.